Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm showing you a 2024 Scout. This is the 215 XSF, one of the best center consoles ever made. Guys, beautiful boat. It is the Scout White, has the black rub rail with the stainless insert. You see your nav lights are also aligned inside of your railing, which is a very nice addition. Nice silver pinstriping all the way to the back. Guys, again, this is a 2024 215 XSF. This boat's got the 200 Mercury V6. Nice ladder here to board on the back, covered with the nice sea deck. Nice transom walk through. Guys, as you see aboard the boat, lots of room for a 21-foot center console. Has a nice flip seat right here in the transom. Stows away nice and easy for when you are fishing and need more room. Nice cooler storage underneath your lean post. Cup holders as well back here. Have a nice transom live well. Guys, taking a look at the helm. You'll see it's left open to add any unit that you want. All your switches are right here, conveniently located in the middle of the helm. Fusion stereo with 4 speakers. Nice little glove box with a USB port. More cup holders, of course. Got your mechanical Mercury gauges. Digital throttle on that Mercury V6. Guys, taking a look at the front, I've got a lot of the cushions stowed away, but you can see in the pictures how they lay out, and then I put these right here so you can see, but plenty of room for lounging and stretching your feet all the way out. Perfect for 2 adults up front. Have a nice coffin box here. Cushion is also stowed away inside, keep it clean, but this is plenty of room for 2 adults as well. Nice little exit here on the side with more additional cup holders. Nice come-in pads throughout the whole boat. Has the rocket launchers. Hardtop. You'll see you've got spreader lights back on the back side, and you also have your spreaders up front. Nice fully glassed in, beautiful boat. Guys, for more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call. Thank you for looking, and have a great day.